Today we are from Group C, BMMA S1/1. We are going to present assignment 2, which is current application of alternative fuel. So our alternative fuel is propane, which is LPG.
So for the next slide, we have our group member with the teacher. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Abdul Talib, Aiman Najmi, Muhammad Badrin, Muhammad bin Abdul Hamid dan Muhammad Arif Hafnan bin Abdul Wahid. For the introduction,
For the introduction, liquefied petroleum gas LPG or propane, known as liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. Its chemical formula that is C3H8. It is non-toxic, colorless and virtually odorless, commonly used for space and water heating. Next, come from natural gas wells and oil wells. Combination with other hydrocarbon also come from natural gas processing and crude oil refinery process. Lastly, Marcelin Berthelot, a French chemist, discovered it in 1857.
so for the next, we have advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, next to the advantage of propane. The first is safe, clean, powerful and reliable. Second is hygienic source among others alternative fuel. The third is the cost effective and feasible way to improve air quality. The last is environmentally friendly. For the disadvantage of propane, the first is cause health problem, and then propane poisoning, and then highly flammable, and the last source of fire or ignition near the escaping gas.
Then the is source of fuel. So
The source of fuel, there are three main sources. The first one is from degasolining of natural gas. The second one is from stabilization of petroleum in crude oil mining site. Then the last from petroleum refining in a refinery. 60% of propane is obtained in this manner globally. Remaining 40% of propane is obtained in refinery through petroleum refining. Okay, the technology of auto gas production produce the gas.
then distillation process.
Okay, for distillation process, first step is oil wells are drilled into subsurface oil fields. Second, crude oil goes through a number of complicated chemical processes, including catalytic cracking and crude distillation. Third, the wet gas is routed to a gasoline absorption facility, where it is cooled and pumped through an absorption oil. Fourth, the hydrocarbon saturated absorbent oil is routed to a still, where the hydrocarbons are boiled away. Next, the wet gasoline is pushed to stabilizer towers. And the last step is this mixture of LP gases, which accounts of 10% of entire mixture, which is 5% of propane.
Then for the next is our opinion on the alternative fuel for the near future. First is more production of LPG vehicle, which is we know as LPG vehicle is costing much of money. So since the LPG fuel is typically cheaper than gasoline, the return on investment can be quick. Second is more fueling infrastructure available. We need gas station of LPG to make our Malaysian people will buy LPG vehicle. And for the last is improvement of existing propane LPG. So lower fuel economy to drive the same distance as gasoline vehicle due to its lower energy density. However, lower per gasoline cost of LPG can quickly offset its lower fuel economy. So that's all from us. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.